Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame, we can see that gold is currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly, we can see that gold is a long-term bearish market. Starting with this monthly resistance, we have seen that previous months gold had a very strong drop, created this significant momentum, followed by a pullback with this monthly long week candle. The price has closed, and followed by this month, so you have seen that initially gold has gone up, tested this 50% of this monthly body, and then we have seen that from the zone gold had a significant drop, and as the price is dropping to that zone, we could see that further downside movement later this month. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective there was a strong drop from this liquidity zone on the weekly. With this drop followed by back-to-back 2 weeks of pullback, gold has reached this weekly resistance. If we draw this trend line, we can see that this is a very significant level of resistance. We have seen in the past acted here as a resistance here, and also resistance here, acted here as a resistance. And from that zone, we have seen that gold had a drop. Now with that drop this week, we have seen that so far the price has come down to the support level. We can expect a pullback, and then we can expect another drop on gold. Now looking at the daily time frame to see overall picture in the market, we can see that gold from the daily perspective was quite a few days of strong drop here, and in this uptrending market the price has come down to the support level. We can expect now a pullback to the upside before dropping for longer term downtrending direction. So with that said, at this point we can expect on the lower time frame gold to go ahead for a deeper pullback to the upside. If we take our Fibonacci for this daily move from this high to the low, we can see that gold is approaching this 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is also above this previous daily high where there is a liquidity. What I think that gold today, we might see that initial move to the upside to test this level, and from this zone we can expect another rejection towards its monthly and weekly direction. So if we look at 1 hour chart to see how gold is evolving in that zone, we see that in this local time frame there was a very strong rejection we have seen yesterday during the news, and then the price is consolidating here in that area. Now there are two probable scenario in the zone on gold: is for the price to go ahead and test this level, which is also an important liquidity zone along with the 38.2% Fibonacci level, and then from this zone to break down towards its direction. There is another probability for gold, as we see this in this 1 hour time frame, still maintaining a downtrending market structure from this level to have another drop to create a new lower low. Now this is where we will be waiting for a price action confirmation. If we see that gold has triggered another liquidity from this zone above this resistance and has got a strong rejection with a long week candle in that zone, we will consider going short from this level with a high probability trade setup. If we see that gold has gathering liquidity from this zone, as we see that in this 1 hour chart gold is triggering liquidity from this support level. If we see the price maintaining that uptrending local channel to the upside with a strong price action confirmation, we'll consider going long to this level with a high probability trade setup. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.